Hello friends, in this tutorial let me show you how to unlock the forgotten password in all the Android phone. Whichever Android phone or a smartphone you are using, follow these steps and you can unlock your phone. If you have forgotten your password, if you have forgotten your pattern, or if you have forgotten your PIN code, just follow the steps and you will be done. So guys, what you need at first, just switch off your smartphone. Press the power button. Alright, just press the power button in your smartphone and then switch it off. Just power off. So it's not necessary that these steps only work for a Samsung smartphone, but it works for all the smartphone. Just follow the advice. So guys, it's switched off now. Alright, so just power off your smartphone. And now you need to notice three things. This is the power button. So whichever smartphone you are using, just check the power button. Just check the power button. This is the power button. And then you need the volume up button and then volume down button. Just make a note of volume up button and volume down button. The third thing you need, this one, home button. Alright, this is the home button, is the third thing you need. So every smartphone has a power button, volume up and down button, and home button. Just make note of these three things in your smartphone, wherever you have in whichever location. Now, some of the smartphones do not have a home button. You don't have to worry. Make sure you have a power button and then you have this volume up and volume down button. What you need to do, just put your finger, one finger over here, right over here in the volume up button, right? Not the down one, up button. Put your one finger on a volume up button, another finger right over here on this power button. Just put your another finger right over here on this power button, alright? One finger on volume up button and another finger right over here in home button, alright? Now you are all ready. At first, press this finger, press the volume up button, alright? You can see it's pressing volume up button. I'm not pressing my power button or home button, only volume up button. Keep on pressing. At the same time, press this home button, volume up button and home button. Now, you can see, keep on pressing continuously. Do not remove your finger. First, volume up button and then home button. Finally, just press this power button continuously. Just press it. You just have to press it continuously. Do not remove your finger from any one of those buttons. Just keep on pressing and then you're going to see Android logo in your smartphone. Alright? Just wait for a while once you see this Android logo. Sometime guys, you're going to see this. It looks like an error message, no command. Do not worry. If you see this, just wait for a while. Don't do anything. You just have to wait for a while. Sometime you might not see this. You directly get this screen. Alright? Okay. So, once you get this screen, in some of the smartphone, guys, let me tell you, in some of the smartphone, you do not have a home button. So, you just need to press the volume up button and this power button. At first, press the volume up button and then press the power button continuously. In some of the smartphone, depending upon the brand. But for Samsung, you need the three button. If in some of the Samsung phone also you do not have a home button, you just try to press this. Then you definitely have a home button somewhere. If you do not have, just try this volume up button and then this power button. If these three different button is the normal one, especially works for almost all the smartphone. If these three different button and steps do not work, press the volume up button and power button. This is the second way that you can try in order to get this screen. Once you get this screen, you can use volume up button and volume down button to move up and down. So guys, what you need to do is just move it down. And then you're going to see over here, wipe data, alright? Somewhere you're going to see wipe data factory reset right over here. You can see it. It's wipe data factory reset. Just select this wipe data factory reset. Alright? You just have to select that. Okay, you can see guys, wipe data factory reset. You're just gonna select that one, wipe data factory reset. Now, Now once you select this wiped out of factory reset, you can see this power button acts as a OK now. So this is for confirmation. So select it, wipe data, factory reset. And then finally, you need to confirm it by pressing this power button for OK. And then again, use the volume up and down button, select yes. Alright, you need to choose yes. And then press OK with the power button. And now you can see guys, it's formatting. Data wipe complete. You can see over here, data wipe complete. Once you see that message, what you need to do, you can see here on the top, reboot system now. It's already selected on the top. If it is not selected, you can use volume up and down button. Reboot system now. Alright, it's reboot system now. Press this power button for OK. And it will take 5 to 10 minutes to reboot your system. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Sometime it might take 10 to 15 minutes. Give a moment to reboot. Okay guys, all the way it's done. Now you can see it's like a newly purchased smartphone. Now you can set up everything. You can choose the language. I can choose English. And then I click on start. Okay guys, once you are done with all the setups, finally now your phone is like a newly purchased. All ready to go. You don't have a password, you don't have a PIN code. You can set it up all now. All the new one. So guys, doing this really wipe out everything from your smartphone. So be sure to take a backup or move it to external storage before you're doing this. Obviously, if your phone is locked, you can move it to the external storage. You don't have choice. So guys, follow these steps for almost all the smartphones. And then you can remove the password, unlock your phones. So guys, it will definitely help. I hope help. Have a good day. Share this video and like, subscribe and comment. Catch you in the next video.